Here in this video we're gonna focus on 86W Club. 86W Club, it is an international finance corporation company that formed it. This club works toward the success of its customers. It is a business where everybody is a shareholder. After you have used the link given to you by your referrer, here are the features you will find after the sign up. Here are the features. Go directly to where you can see my beneath here with the icon of a man. Click it. When you click the mine, it will now bring you to a place of this kind. This is where you can deposit into your wallet. The minimum deposit is 3,500 naira, but you can deposit up to 1 million and you can withdraw at any moment. There is no specific time for withdrawal. Now go directly and click deposit for you to deposit your money. If you click deposit, it will now bring you to such a kind of place. You can click bank card for easy deposit, but you can also use the USD one depending on the type of banking that you are used to. After doing that one, you will be added to a Telegram group. Go directly to your referrer and he will send you a Telegram number of Tutor Solar, which you will now go directly to her and chat her. She will now direct you on how to do things. She will not add you to a Telegram group. After you are added to the Telegram group, now you will be seeing some kind of games that will be pasted on that group. Once you see a game in the group, now come directly to your platform here and click market list. If you click market list, the games mostly comes in correct score. Click today. That is for you to search the game of that very day. Here are the games. Here are the games. After seeing the game here, now recall what you saw exactly on that very game. If you recall it, now come here and search for the exact game. Let's assume that game in the market list, it is 1-1. Now you can come directly and press place a bet. If you press it, now we can't do it because this is not the exact game we are asked to play. I'm just here to show you how to do it. Enter the amount. You can press all for all of your amount to be staked in the game. If you stake in the game, they will show you the estimated profit here. Let's take for instance, I stake all of my amount. My profit is 235 naira is the profit I have gotten from the game. This is how you do it. Just click OK. Once you click OK, come directly to the dashboard. If you come here, now press trading. If you press trading, here is the receipt. Once you have played the game, the receipt here will appear with the game you played recently and the total amount of what you have earned. Screenshot it and keep it for future reason, for security reasons. Thank you. Stay connected with us. Subscribe.